Hi, this is Angela from Ciandre. Nowadays, real estate developers, they always design house well ready for living. But actually, many house owners, they are not satisfied with the whole feeling. So in this case, they are looking for somebody to redesign the house and enjoy everything. So today here, let me show you one department around 180 square meters. We redesigned the house and I'm going to show results, a design before and a design after. So please follow me. Let's go. So like here, this is the entrance hall. It's too long, it's too narrow, and it's too traditional. That's why the house owner doesn't like it. For this entrance hall, we solved two issues. One issue is for shoes storage. The second issue is that for the old painting. So the color, the atmosphere is to let people, when they enter home, they feel relaxed. And the color is just simple and warm. So we use a beige cement painting for the all. And here we use a very textural metallic wood color to make these shoes cabinet. This is a 5.8 meter shoes cabinet, so it's have a super and a large storage functions. So the atmosphere is just simple, and when people back home, it feel relaxed. That is the purpose of these design ideas. So this is the whole atmosphere, the whole. For atmosphere, we do the cement painting, the same color. So it's just a very warm and simple.